Hello guys, welcome to Gaming Hub. In this third tutorial, I will tell you about some more tips and tricks about blind curves. You must indicate your turning at any junctions. Use your buttons before you turn. So guys, in this tutorial, I will review some tips and tricks about indicators. So first of all, you have to press your engine, stop the engine, and take your seat belts as usual. The most important part of your car, you have to drive always with your seat belts. Now just first here to it. And I will do this. You have to get left. So drift left and gear to your car and take some left turn up. Drift left turn to your steering like this, and slowly do it. And now you have to give again left turn to it like this, and now give some more raise to it. As you see this, you have to take a left turn again, once again, just left turn to it by using your steering. Now you have to go straight to it, so give some raise to it like this. Now as you do this, you have to take a left turn. Now you have to take a right turn, so just right indicator to it like this, and fully turn your indicators, and now fully turn your steering, and now part straight to it. As I said this, we have completed your third class. So guys, this is your third tutorial, and thanks for watching it. In fourth tutorial, I will give you some more tips and tricks about driving. So keep watching Gaming Hunt.